You guys, this is Brittany's first time driving.
Okay. I'm gonna make it out of the rental car parking lot. That's my goal. Oh my gosh, okay.
Remember, stay on the left.
I'm going on the left.
Well, so far so good.
We're not dead yet, guys. I'm keeping my eyes on the road though, 10 and 2. This is crazy.
This is actually pretty easy so far, because...
Oh my gosh, the turns, this is so weird.
It's weird?
Yes!
Because you're on that side?
Because usually you're hugging it. Yeah, it just goes off. This is so crazy. Driving in Australia.
Guys, we are heading down to downtown Brisbane. Remember to hug the right. Oh yes, yes, I got it on camera.
I did it again.
Wait, it's on an exit.
What?
You're supposed to go that way.
No, I'm on the right way.
No, you're not. This is an exit. We're supposed to go this way.
Why is it blue?
Why are you in the middle of the lane?
Jared, I gotta pull over.
The windshield wipers are still going.
This is not funny.
Oh, this is hilarious.
Oh my gosh.
So we just left our beautiful Airbnb up at Birdham. We don't know what it's called. Berdeen.
We don't know how to pronounce it.
We don't know how to pronounce it, yeah.
But it was beautiful.
It was beautiful. We miss it.
And we had so much fun with my family up there. It was so nice, you guys. We just hung out, especially with my dad, you guys, because this has been a really special trip for him, coming back to Australia where he lived for 2 years. So it was really cool to experience all that with him. He went and saw a lot of the places where he lived, some of them still standing after 40 plus years.
Which is
really
crazy.
Cool. Now our family kind of split off in different directions.
Mom, Dad, and Michelle all went to Cairns. They left yesterday.
They went to go do a Great Barrier Reef tour, which is gonna be awesome.
Yeah, super cool. And then we just said bye to Nick and Tiffany because they're going to Sydney.
And then they fly out from Sydney, so they're here a couple more days, and then they fly out.
And now Brittany and I are just driving around. We got about 5 hours to kill. And so we rented this car from the Brisbane airport, and Brittany's driving for the first time on the left side of the road.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it is crazy. You may be wondering why we didn't go to Cairns, because we had originally planned to go to Cairns, but Jared has always wanted to go to the Whitsunday Islands. And so we looked at it and we figured out we didn't have time to do both. So that's why we are headed to the Whitsundays to also see the Great Barrier Reef, but also see the beautiful islands out there. So we're super excited.
Yeah, we're super excited for that. I've always wanted to go to the Whitsundays. They look insanely pretty. Just a very iconic beach out here in Australia. And those that we've talked to that have been to both, they say go to the Whitsundays.
Yeah, so we're bummed because we were hoping to go with my parents and Michelle, but they had already booked their tickets. We booked ours, so we couldn't make it happen together, but we've spent the past week with everyone, so it'll be nice to just have a little time to ourselves. About 3 days at the Whitsundays, and then we'll have a couple days in Sydney, and then we fly home.
I'm hoping that we'll at least make it back to the airport.
Alive. You guys, it is no joke. Okay, I go straight.
You go straight, yeah.
Oh my gosh. I just keep
follow the car
to the left because it's just so like your body just being on that side of the car, you usually just veer that way and it's hard.
Sometimes I'll find myself like in the middle in between the two lanes.
Jared was telling me which way to go and oh my gosh, I can't take my eyes off the road because it is crazy.
We're gonna put this down so she can focus.
Yes. We will see you in Brisbane.
Check out the Mercedes store, guys, with the massive Mercedes emblem up there.
And it's spinning.
This, you guys, is downtown Brisbane. This is actually where I came a couple nights ago and I flew the drone at night. It's such a pretty place, and at nighttime, guys, the sunsets are absolutely gorgeous. But seeing it now in the daytime, it is so much prettier, you guys. So this river right here runs all the way through the city, which is really cool. Earlier on our way over here, we went through Story Bridge, which is that famous bridge here in Brisbane. And then behind us, as you can see, is the outskirts of the town. It's just so cool and so pretty here because they have all these sailboats and yachts along the river here, which is just so cool and interesting because you don't don't usually see that in cities like this. Engineering of these buildings, you guys, is so cool. So right here, there's a little bit of a gap that's like a balcony, and then further up, there's another gap, which is another balcony. And I've just noticed that a lot of the buildings here have it. Like this one has it over here, this one has it here, there, and there's one there. Such a cool architectural idea. These little ferries right here go to and from the north and south side, and they're free, which is cool.
Just parked. Look what's in front of us again. We are here in Brisbane. It is beautiful here. It is such a cool city. So we are gonna walk and we wanna find just a cute little lunch spot before we gotta head on our flight.
Our flight's in about an hour and a half, and so we are going to get some food.
So we thought we'd come down to the river, walk along here and find a fun little restaurant to eat at.
I'll tell you what, downtown Brisbane is absolutely beautiful. It's got the river going right through it, just like Melbourne did. It's got these cool little water features over here.
It is a beautiful city. It's so modern, but yet there's a lot of like history and eclectic old buildings too. That's such a good mix. It's beautiful out here.
Highly recommended if you guys are ever in Australia. Definitely come out to Brisbane. It's awesome.
So guys, we are headed to this little bistro called the Riverbar. It looks darling. It's right in front of us. So I cannot wait to see what food they have. You guys, check out our place for breakfast here in Brisbane.
It is awesome.
It's so darling. There's all these little umbrellas everywhere. Here is our view for breakfast with an awesome story bridge. I don't think we could find a better place in Brisbane than this for breakfast. Awesome. So cool. So we're looking what to eat. Looks like they have really yummy stuff. I was scoping out the French toast with bananas and blueberries. They have smashed avocado toast, which sounds divine. Oh, Jared, they have poached eggs. That sounds really good. Ooh, eggs Benedict. That's one of Jared's favorites. I got the smashed avocado toast and then with some poached eggs. I didn't know it came with another thing of toast.
Which is awesome.
Yeah, and Jared got
Eggs Benedict again.
Woohoo, it looks so good. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to dive into this.
Guys, look at this view. We got 30 minutes to get to the airport. Luckily, it's only 20 minutes away, which gives us 10 minutes to go check out the Brisbane Temple, which is actually just across the street. That was awesome, guys. It was so pretty there. Now we're headed to the airport.
We're piecing out of here, guys.
Where are we going?
We are going to the Whit Sundays.